What's going on, y'all? Jimmy Macram here. We're up to season 3, episode 12 of Lost. Last we saw, Jack, Kate, and Saeed found, I want to say like an outpost, where one of the others were staying. Guy with the eye patch. Captured him, after awesomeness. And Locke accidentally blew it up. Let's get to it.
Electrical wiring map, Saeed. I'm not sure it's as accurate as you think.
Well, it's certainly not as infallible as the magical carvings on your stick.
Hey, the stick did get us to that station.
Or the station which you accidentally blew up.
Well, if you'd have warned me that the basement was rigged with C4, I might have been a little more careful.
Or not.
Why don't you just tell us if we're going the right way?
You're going the right way.
Remind me why we're keeping him alive?
What do you suggest we shoot him like a dog?
No, I like dogs.
Nobody's shooting anybody. The map says where they are, and he says the map's right. Just keep moving.
He says the map's right, so that's okay. Blow him up, Kate! Gotta hit somebody's mom and get blown up around here? All this to try to save Charlie? That was a good dude, man.
Come back.
You would not understand.
Try me.
I misspoke. What I meant to say is, you're not capable of understanding.
And why am I not capable?
Kate. But you, John Locke. You I might have a fleeting memory of. But I must be confused, because the John Locke I know was
Hey.
perhaps...
Look at this. Over here.
Who the fuck is on this list? I thought Locke was on the list. I must be misremembering. Oh shit, there's gunshots.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I just said I'm sorry.
What's wrong with you?
I was shooting at a ball. I had no idea you were out here.
Where's Charlie?
He did that shit on purpose.
Is he with you? In the exact same spot as we're setting our trap.
I was following a ball clear.
Oh. So it's just a coincidence then. Where is it?
Go away.
You don't want me to catch the birds, do you? You and Charlie. What's going on?
Why wouldn't I want you to catch the birds? Either way, we'd be safer going around it.
You're right. It was a security perimeter. Like everything else on this island, it hasn't functioned in years.
Of course it has.
If you wish to waste your time, be my guest. The pylons encircle the entire barracks. There is no common ground. If you don't believe me, look at your map.
John! Thank you.
Wow!
Oh my God.
Sorry.
Nobody asked me about it when we brought him along in the first place.
All right.
Pardon me for not knowing that they had a sonic weapon fence. I didn't know he was going to die. How would I know that?
Why are you really here? You here for Jack?
Why else would I be here?
We'll talk about this later.
Fine by me. Just tell me how we're going to go.
I thought you didn't know there was any C4.
Well, I stand corrected.
Why did you take it?
You never know when a little C4 might come in handy.
You'll have to do better than that.
The fuck is Locke up to? I'm so intrigued. Cecil, very
What's
intrigued.
going on with you, Charlie?
I just put Aaron down.
No, you and Desmond. What's
So
going
just
on?
keep yelling. Fuck it. It's just a baby.
What are you talking about?
You might be overreacting.
Overreacting? No, I thought you were here for me, that I could count on you. I was wrong.
No, Claire.
No, I'm on my own, and at least I know that now.
Claire.
Just go!
Poor baby. Gotta deal with these two crazy motherfuckers.
Morning, dear. Oh, I like your new doctor.
What new doctor?
Well, the American. He's in with your mum now. Excuse me.
Just leave us alone.
Is that her father?
Are not the arbiter here.
No.
In these circumstances,
You are
I do
taking
believe
advantage of
that
my
Claire has
sister's
every
position.
right to know.
Just stop it! You the one paying the bills? Are you the one taking care of all this?
Yes.
And who are you?
There we go. Say it.
I'm your father.
Is it true? Lindsay! Jack's dead. Is the man.
The system appears to fire a sonic pulse when an object breaks the
Accent is atrocious.
So,
Oh shit, is that why he was here?
What are you doing here? Bills makes you noble or something? You come down here and you try and get me to kill her?
It's a bad look, to be fair.
Jack!
Really stupid. First of all, could they have made Jack look like a bigger douche than with that spike? Claire's flashbacks. It's always hard for me to invest in her emotionally. I'm not entirely sure why. Maybe because it's just always so heavy-handed. But Jack's dad, who's the MVP of almost every episode he's in. Again. So, okay, wait a minute. He went to Australia, right? After Jack got him fired. We had a conversation with Sawyer, etc. And Lucia was his like bodyguard. So that was, I assume, I assume that was Claire's aunt he was talking to when he got like rough with her, and then Lucia had to come out. Am I correct? I think so. I'm pretty confident in that. And I assume that's why he was there. Granted, you're on an island, right? And there's not a whole fuckload to do if you're not trying to save your teammates and fucking kill others. But pre-rescuing Charlie has got to be exhausting. Desmond continues to do it 3 times now. You owe him 3 lives. You're welcome. It's a good dude. The fuck is Locke up to? I love Locke. I have no clue what he's up to. I'm glad he murdered that guy by accident, maybe. He's over here fucking lying about fucking the C4. He took some, which means he blew that place up on purpose. He doesn't want to leave the island. That much is certain. We know that already. He's been pretty fucking clear about that. And Patchy said, John Locke, you were power. And then he got cut off. Their connection there. I think that's why it was brought up. So we're reminded that he was paralyzed. And that is, in fact, why he doesn't want to leave the island. But that ain't magic. Anything else? Jack playing football. What the fuck? Oh, Jack. What was that about? Well, he's in a good mood. Feeling good, you know? They're not that bad. Football and shit. I don't think they broke him. They can't break him. It's Jack. He can't be broken. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.